गोंयांत वेगवेगळ्या सुवातींचेर एक्सट्रॅक्टेड आयर्न ओर जो पडून आतां तेजे इल्ले करून ई ऑक्शन सरकार करीत आसता. ई ऑक्शन करून तो एक्सपोर्ट करता. आतां पर्यंत 28 ई ऑक्शन जाल्ली आसा. आयज मायन्स डिपार्टमेंटान नवीन नोटीस काडल्या ई ऑक्शनाची. ते 29वें ई ऑक्शन आसतलें आनी ह्या ई ऑक्शनान 1.7 मिलियन मेट्रीक टन आयर्न ओर आहा आनी तेजें ई ऑक्शन करून मागीर तो एक्सपोर्ट करपाचो. आनी कांय चेंजीस तेंच्यांनी ई ऑक्शन प्रोसेसान केल्या. पयलीं ह्या एक्सट्रॅक्टेड आयर्न ओराच्या ई ऑक्शनाक ट्रेडरांक पार्टिसिपेट जावंक मेळटालें. एकूच खंयचो ब्लॉक खूब जाण बी घेताले. सो आतां तें जावचें ना. आतां फक्त एंड युजर आयर्न ओराचो एंड युजर आहा ऑर एक्सपोर्टर्स आहा तांकांच ह्या ई ऑक्शनाक पार्टिसिपेट जावपाक मेळटलें.
The auction notice that has come in the newspaper is pertaining to the sale or auction of iron ore lying at different locations in the state. This is the 29th e-auction what we are doing. It is live now on MSTC portal, and so far we have done 28 e-auctions. This is the 29th e-auction for 1.17 million metric tons of iron ore.
So we have seen some 27, 28 auctions before. We noticed some changes noticed some different in rules in this notice. What changes are made in this auction?
See, up to 27 e-auctions, the procedure was that the traders, end users, exporters all can participate, and they can take and bid for quantity as well as the price, so per ton. So for instance, one lot can be taken by different people with small quantity and per ton rate. Now, after seeing the difficulties that the department has faced in 27 e-auctions, the e-auction procedure has been changed now, and now the entire lot is assessed. Its value is assessed, and suppose if there is one location, if there are 10 stacks are there, the entire location of 10 stocks is made as one lot. Its value is assessed as per average selling price of the IBM. That is made as a base price. This is the first change. The second is that only the exporters and the end users are allowed to participate. Just for the sake of participating and trading, selling A to B, B to C and all that we are not permitting. So only exporters and end users are permitted to participate, and it is a single stage forward auction. We have done the base price given based on ASP, and on that the auction takes place on the MSTC portal.
Total how many lot in this one auction?
Yeah, this auction has 22 lots in fact. In the 28th e-auction, we had put 28 lots, of which it was done just 3-4 months back. Out of 28 lots, 12 lots got sold out, and we have received full payment, and we have already given letter to the bidders who have won this lot to lift the cargo. Now the balance 16 lots of 28th e-auction and additional 6 lots are added to it. So this particular 29th e-auction has 22 lots.
This will be last e-auction for extracted iron ore, or there will be more?
See, what happens is that if the entire ore doesn't get sold out, which is the experience in the previous all e-auctions, that many a time all ore doesn't get sold out. So those will be auctioned again, and since we will be also seeing sometimes some ore, somebody reports to us saying that ore is lying here and there. If we find any other ore that is lying during our inspection and all that, also we add and we auction it. So this may not be the last auction. We will keep on auctioning it till the entire ore that is lying is completely sold out.